Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. A little bit of a different intro today. I have my face painted instead of bare. I thought it would be nice for you to see what the end result would end up being. This is the look I choose to film today. We went in with the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette, which is this one, and I did the whole look entirely with these eyeshadows bar one, and I'm very proud. So if you'd like to know how to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Hairband is going on. Because it's going to be a fairly smoky situation, I think it's best to do eyes first. So I'm going to zoom you guys in and we'll do the eyes. So for a change, we're going to prime here with the PLouise Badder Black base. Considering we are doing a smoky eye, I thought let's try this out. And to be fair, as soon as I bought this, I just was like, I need to try doing a smoky eye and see what happens. I used this briefly the other day when I went to work to do some school detailing on my face, but since then I haven't really used it. In all honesty, I was a bit confused as to how to apply it, but I just got it on the back of my hand and I'm just going to take a brush and just kind of buff it all over my eye. And now, once you look like a panda, you've achieved the desired look. But no, we're going to go in with the shade Spark, which is just this one here, and we're going to kind of blend that on top of where we put the black. Right, so different situation. I just took all of that off and started again because I put some concealer as my base and then went back in with the brown so that this bit would be nice and even for the blend of the other shadows. The black even, I went back in with the black after that. So now I'm still just packing on Spark, like packling and wiggling. Okay, now we're going to take the shade Hush Hush, which is this one here, to blend that out. That didn't really do a lot. And then on the same brush, I'm going in with the shade Rockstar, which is this one here, and just kind of making that a little bit more purple. And then we're going to go in with Berry Treasure, which is this one. Going in with Berry Treasure and putting that on my finger, and I'm just going to pack that across the eye. Right, you see, I know that's quite dark, so I really want to try and lighten that area up. So I'm going to go in with the shade Bling Bling, which is this one here. And first I'm just going to put that into my inner corner. Just went over that inner portion of the eyes with the shade Pizzazz, this one there. That just kind of brought a little bit more colour in, blended really nicely with the glitter that's already there. Just going back in with the shade Hush Hush to kind of brighten up that inner portion of my eye. What I'm going to do is just do my base and be right back. Okay, so now that I'm looking like a little pale alien, I'm just going to warm my face up again. Now, because winter has come, I am back into my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation and concealer. And now I'm just doing some contouring with the NYX contour palette. Sorry for being low down, I can't be bothered to adjust it because I'm going to have to zoom me back into my eyes again. And then for highlight, I'm going to go in with my standard Kiko eyeshadow. So low. Anyway, I'm going to zoom you back in and we'll continue with the eyes. Okay, so we're going to put some eyeliner on, some bottom stuff on, and some lashes. I don't know if that really made that much of a difference, but I think it did. So I've just done a wing liner and really smoked it out there. Now I am going to smudge it out with the shade Spark again, which is that really nice kind of burgundy plummy colour. And just blending that out again. The shade Hush Hush. Okay, so inner corner wise, I just mixed these two shimmery ones, put them up here, put them in here. Now, just because I want to make it pop a little bit more, I'm going in with the shade Mercy from the Urban Bible palette, and just putting the same thing back in with those two, just to make it really bright. I'm going to do my eyebrows and then I'll be right back. It's amazing what a bit of brow and some eyelashes can do. So now finally I'm just going to go in with my Essence Volume Stylist mascara and just apply. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to put a little bit more blush on, just because I feel like, oh my god, I'm a bit low now. Just because I feel like my face has eaten it. And for the lips, I'm going in with Jeffree Stars Androgyny. I've actually been really liking this. I mean, I've used it like twice, but I just love, like, why am I really don't? I just like love the colour and stuff of it. I think it's really pretty. Ta-da! Right, let me just sort this out. I'll be back. But yes, this is the finished look for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I really like that palette. I really like the colours. They all blend really nicely and the pigment is absolutely fabulous. The only thing I don't really like is the, like, this Hush Hush shade here. It's just a bit too pale for me. It just washes out my colours. It's not really, doesn't do a lot for me. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, all that good stuff down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!